My name is Rosann Kramer, owner of Runway Auto. We take care of you and your car after an accident. Many articles have been written about photo-based estimates. However, this one was by a consumer who is not in the collision industry. Josh filed a claim with his insurance company, and they informed him they had an app to use to send them photos. After the insurance company received the photos, they would send him an estimate and immediately send him a check. The original photo estimate was $363.16. Even he knew it was too low. He went to a body shop and their estimate was $2,136.36. It does tempt unwitting consumers to pocket this quick insurance payout. Since Josh's collision, he will tell us that photo-based estimating is a joke. This is why everyone needs a body shop they can trust. If you get a photo-based estimate, you are not being compensated for all the damage to your vehicle. Thank you, Rosann Kramer, Runway Auto.